Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by stating the table's purpose and expectations immediately. Tell players the session goal, combat, social, or exploration, so everyone aims at the same outcome. Once done, announce core rules and any house rule overrides. This prevents mid-game disputes. Briefly describe the starting scene and hand out the first hook to each player. Make sure to have 3 ready NPCs and 2 scalable encounters. These give you immediate options if players diverge from your plan. You steer pacing by running scenes in 3 acts. Establish, complicate, then present a pivot. Once players react, choose whether to escalate or shift focus. This keeps momentum. Use grouping tricks, passive scores, grouped skill checks, or granting advantage to avoid bogging down. When combat lags, add minions or reduce monster HP to keep tension. Make sure to narrate consequences concisely. This helps players decide fast and preserves dramatic choices without halting the story. You close by summarizing outcomes and giving clear consequences: loot, injuries, social standing, and note XP or milestone progress. Once done, drop a tangible hook for the next session so players leave with direction. If things go wrong and players stall, gently provide a hint, have an NPC nudge, or split the spotlight to a different player. That often reignites action. Make sure to log decisions and one improvement to refine the next session and preserve continuity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.